how to make your Jeep look real nice, having ground effect lights and all four of your wheel wells that will light up the night and make off-roading at night a lot more fun, or just hanging out in parking lots. So for your rear, what I would do is your inner wheel well connects to your plastic fairing. You can get a wire in between here. I just stuck in my fish guide and I pushed it all the way through to right here. Alright, so by your tire you can get your hand in there in between the two plastic pieces and feel for your fish line. When you tape the wire, you want to do it like this, so the wire goes in first so it's smaller, and keep the head and all that on the end like that, and kind of guide it, like push it through and pull it at the same time. You'll need to open that seam up a little bit to get the plug to fit through, and then just pull it out this end right here carefully. Once you got it pulled through, take and run this around your body mounts. There are these big bolts right here, all the way down until we get to the front. Alright, this is your front body mount by your front tire here. So we're going to run it right in there, and then if you look, there's daylight right up in there to the engine bay. Alright, this is the driver's side front, and there's a little hole right here in your wheel well. Again, you can kind of see daylight, so just carefully feed that through. Leaving your light hanging for now. Alright, so when you pull the wires up, this is the control box. It comes with a piece of 3M tape that's double-sided, and I just stuck it right to the fuse box, so it's nice and fixed really well. The end connectors, you just plug them in. These are watertight connectors, which is nice. The only thing the kit doesn't come with are terminal hooks to go around your battery. You don't want to use bare wire on your battery, so you're going to want to pick up some terminal hooks with the correct gauge and then run it. We've got a couple things hooked up. We got some off-road lights, so that's that. When you install these, that's the color she's got them on right now, but it's got 2 screws that are self-tapping, and then you can see the wire that runs down in there. It's nice and tight, so it ain't going nowhere. Here's the end result. Comes with a giant remote with all kinds of preset colors. You can just change the colors to whatever you want. You can also control this via app as well. The remote has different light modes, so you can kind of cycle it. Or where's it at? Or you can just hit the play button to cycle different colors. See what else the remote has. It has custom colors. You can do different fades and stuff to where it's like glowing. Randomly changing colors. All kinds of fade effects. Oh, look at that flashing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's kind of cool too. You got slow glow, quick glow. Tons and tons of adjustments. You can go just white. You can turn it on and off, obviously. The app gives you even more options. You have a color wheel where you can just kind of pick all your custom colors. Palettes, modes, light speed. These are your do-it-yourself colors. Oh, evidently you can make it cycle to music. That's cool. Have to play with that. So what that does basically is you would load music and it would bump to the music. Can't show that because I'll get nailed. It's got a schedule if you want to schedule your lights to come on at certain times of day. It's really funny. So it has more stuff than you'll ever need. So you can kind of pick these different modes and do blue and gold. So what that is? Or there's green, and that's different spectrums you can run it through. So the kit was really cool. It's 30 bucks on Amazon. As you can see in the picture, there's 3 sets of LEDs, so a total of 6 LEDs on each thing. It's waterproof, weatherproof, you know, snowproof, whatever, waterproof. And get it from me because I make commission on this. I'll have the link below in the description. The nice thing about these lights, like I was getting into, these 6 LEDs, is you can kind of like, I think, mix different colors too per each one and come up with custom colors. But yeah, this kit takes about 2 hours to install. I'm going to include the fishing rod or the glow stick, whatever you want to call it, that I use to do it. That is the only thing you need. There's no custom drilling of holes, not really any custom wiring. You might want to get some terminal ends. I'll list some in the description as well, where to get those on Amazon as well. All right, here's the kit that was used. It's called RGB lights, rock lights. It's super bright, or super bite. Nice spelling there. It's got a 40-foot range on the wireless remote. It uses a Bluetooth application as well. It uses minimal power, guys. 12 volts, 12 watts. That's next to nothing, okay? This will run all day, so it won't kill your battery. Link will be in the description. Looking good. Nice and bright. There's light on, and you can still see how bright these are. It lights up the road really cool. Lights up the entire wheel well really cool. You can see the shadow around the wheels. These are 35-inch tires with 3-inch suspension lift. 2.5-inch suspension lift. On a 2018 Jeep JL 4-door. So if you guys are interested, you can see the light from the other light. It lights it up. The cool thing is too, if you guys are geeks, it lights up your control arms, your frame, your suspension, steering control. Makes a shadow on the ground of all that, which is really cool. The middle, not so much. You can see a part of, you can see a part of the shock arms and the light, which is really cool. That's something I didn't expect to see, and it is really neat, guys. So stay tuned for more Jeep Creep customizations.